as you can see, the washer and dryer is actually like in my dining room / kitchen area. So I don't have like a dedicated space for things like this, like my laundry detergent or even my, cleaning things. And so y'all, command hooks, they're gonna be your best friend. They're your best friend. They're not heavy, and you can get like pretty heavy duty, strips to hang things on. And this is like the perfect solution. Even if you had like something like magnetic hooks, they would work perfect on here as well. But that's what I do. And then I just have like a little bin here for my, laundry stuff. And that's it. That's the hack. Small space organization. I might swap that out because sometimes I don't like looking at it and I want this area to be a little bit prettier. I think that kind of jacks it up just a smidge, but so far it works, it's functional. I have this curtain here again to kind of make it look a little bit more decorative and appealing, but the hack here is this. This is it. This is the hack. Do this. Use command hooks literally everywhere you can. Again, you will always see me using command hooks to just maximize vertical space. They just make sense, y'all. They make all the sense in the world. Here's a glimpse of my pantry, or at least the bottom part.